15,000.
That's good to know.
We're gonna just make it on the landing, I think.
It's a beautiful day here in Hawaii. I want to extend my greetings to Poutine House and especially Elaine Shen for her wonderful communications and speed and accuracy. I am very much enjoying working with her. I also want to express my appreciation to the engineering department at Poutine for the high standards of construction and assembly, the materials. It's just a wonderful package and we are extremely excited about it. These Poutine houses, the SPD house, will absolutely fill a missing bill here in Hawaii for affordable housing and emergency housing, and obviously right now we're talking with people about school projects too. So we are here to do our best with you. We want to be your partner, and we project good success between Poutine and Castle Block, and I want to wish you a good day and thank you for this opportunity to join your team. Aloha.